If you truly want to become uncommon amongst the uncommon, it will require sustaining greatness for a long period. It requires staying in constant pursuit and putting out unending effort. This may sound appealing, but will need everything you have to give and then some. Are you ready to unlock your full potential and live a life filled with purpose? Whether you're seeking personal growth, professional success, or simply a happier and more fulfilling life, these 7 rules are your roadmap to greatness. Rule 1. Smile. Smiling is a simple yet powerful action that can transform your day and positively impact those around you. When you smile, it sends a message of positivity and warmth, making you more approachable and creating a welcoming environment. A smile can uplift your mood, even when you're feeling down. It's like a natural stress reliever, helping you to see the brighter side of any situation. Imagine walking into a room and seeing someone smile at you. Instantly, you feel more at ease and connected. This small gesture can build stronger relationships, both personally and professionally. People are naturally drawn to those who exude positivity and friendliness, and a smile is the first step in making that connection. Moreover, smiling is contagious. When you smile, it encourages others to smile back, spreading joy and positivity throughout your day. It's a simple act that requires little effort, but has a profound impact. So make it a habit to smile more often. Start your day with a smile in the mirror and carry that positivity with you wherever you go. It's a small change that can lead to significant improvements in your life and the lives of others. Rule 2. Be kind. Kindness is a powerful tool that can transform not only your life, but also the lives of those around you. Small acts of kindness, such as a compliment, a helping hand, or a thoughtful gesture, can make a significant difference in someone's day. These acts create ripples of positivity, fostering a sense of goodwill and community. When you are kind, you build stronger, more supportive relationships. People are drawn to those who show genuine care and consideration. Your kindness can inspire others to act similarly, creating a more compassionate and connected environment. This chain reaction of kindness contributes to a supportive and encouraging community where everyone thrives. Being kind also enriches your own life. It brings a sense of fulfillment and happiness, knowing you've made a positive impact. Acts of kindness boost your mood and reduce stress, enhancing your overall well-being. They remind you of the good in the world and reinforce the importance of empathy and understanding. Make kindness a daily habit. Look for opportunities to help others. Share kind words and show appreciation. Remember, no act of kindness is too small. Each gesture contributes to a better, more compassionate world. By being kind, you not only uplift others, but also create a more fulfilling and joyful life for yourself. Rule 3. Don't give up. Perseverance is the key to achieving your dreams and goals. Along the journey to success, you will inevitably face setbacks and failures. These challenges are not signs to stop. They are opportunities to learn and grow. Every successful person has encountered obstacles, but what sets them apart is their determination to keep going despite difficulties. When you encounter a setback, view it as a lesson. Analyze what went wrong, learn from it, and use that knowledge to improve. Each failure brings you one step closer to success by teaching you valuable lessons that you wouldn't learn otherwise. Staying committed to your dreams requires a resilient mindset. Remember why you started and what you hope to achieve. Keep your vision clear and let it motivate you to push through tough times. Surround yourself with supportive people who believe in you and your goals. Their encouragement can provide the strength you need to continue. Celebrate small victories along the way. Each achievement, no matter how minor, is progress and a testament to your hard work. These moments of success can reignite your passion and remind you of your potential. Never give up on your dreams. Stay focused, remain patient, and trust in the process. Perseverance is about enduring the difficult times and believing in your ability to overcome them. By pushing forward and learning from each experience, you pave the way to your ultimate success. Rule 4. Don't compare. Embrace the value of your individuality. Comparing yourself to others can be harmful to your self-esteem and hinder your progress. Everyone's journey is unique, with different challenges, strengths, and timelines. When you compare yourself to others, you overlook your own unique path and the progress you've made. Focus on your personal growth and the steps you've taken toward your goals. Recognize that your experiences, talents, and perspectives are what make you unique. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Each milestone is a testament to your hard work and dedication. Remember, comparing yourself to others can create unnecessary pressure and stress. It can lead to feelings of inadequacy and distract you from your own progress. Instead, use others' successes as inspiration rather than a benchmark for your own worth. Learn from their journeys, but stay committed to your path. Keep in mind that social media often showcases only the highlights of people's lives. It's easy to feel inferior when you compare your behind the scenes with someone else's highlight reel. Focus on your own journey and measure your success by your growth and personal achievements. Celebrate your individuality and the unique contributions you bring to the world. By focusing on your path and progress, you cultivate a healthier mindset and a more fulfilling life. Trust in your journey, and remember that your value is not determined by comparisons, but by your own growth and accomplishments. Rule 5. Avoid negativity. A positive mindset is crucial for personal and professional success. Negative thoughts and influences can hinder your progress and drain your energy. By actively avoiding negativity, you can maintain a healthier and more productive outlook on life. Start by being mindful of your thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, try to reframe those thoughts into positive or constructive ones. Instead of focusing on what could go wrong, think about what could go right and how you can make it happen. This shift in perspective can help you stay motivated and resilient in the face of challenges. Surround yourself with positive people who uplift and inspire you. The company you keep has a significant impact on your mindset and attitude. Choose friends, family, and colleagues who encourage you, believe in your goals, and provide support when you need it. Positive relationships can boost your confidence and help you stay focused on your objective. Create a positive environment around you. Fill your space with things that make you happy and inspire you, such as motivational quotes, personal achievements, and uplifting music. Engage in activities that bring you joy and relaxation, whether it's a hobby, exercise, or spending time in nature. Limit your exposure to negative influences, such as pessimistic news, toxic social media, or people who consistently bring you down. Instead, seek out positive content and communities that share your interests and values. By fostering a positive mindset and avoiding negativity, you empower yourself to achieve your goals and enjoy a more fulfilling life. Stay focused on the good, surround yourself with supportive influences, and maintain an optimistic outlook. This approach will help you navigate challenges more effectively and keep you on the path to success. Rule 6. Make peace with your past. Acceptance and forgiveness are vital for personal growth and well-being. Holding on to past mistakes and regrets can weigh you down and prevent you from moving forward. By making peace with your past, you free yourself from these burdens and open up to new opportunities and a hopeful future. Begin by acknowledging your past experiences, both good and bad. Understand that everyone makes mistakes, and these mistakes are a natural part of life. They provide valuable lessons that shape who you are today. Accepting this helps you see your past as a source of growth rather than a series of setbacks. Practice forgiveness, both for yourself and others. Forgiving yourself for past errors is crucial for self-compassion and healing. Recognize that you did the best you could with the knowledge and resources you had at the time. Similarly, forgiving others who may have hurt you allows you to release resentment and negative emotions, which can be freeing and empowering. Let go of regret. Dwelling on what you could have done differently only keeps you stuck in the past. Instead, focus on what you can do now to improve and move forward. Use your experiences as lessons to guide your future decisions and actions. Making peace with your past also involves cultivating a mindset of gratitude and positivity. Reflect on the good moments and achievements, no matter how small. These positive memories can provide a sense of accomplishment and remind you of your strengths and resilience. By letting go of past mistakes and regrets, you create space for new experiences and growth. Moving forward with a clear mind and a hopeful heart allows you to fully embrace the present and look forward to the future with optimism. This peace with your past is essential for achieving lasting success and happiness. Rule 7. Take care of your body and mind. Holistic wellness is the foundation of a successful and fulfilling life. A healthy body and mind are essential for overall well-being and productivity. By prioritizing your physical and mental health, you equip yourself with the energy and clarity needed to achieve your goals. Start with regular exercise. Physical activity boosts your energy levels, improves your mood, and enhances your overall health. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy, whether it's walking, jogging, yoga, or dancing, and make it a consistent part of your lifestyle. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. A balanced diet is equally important. Nourish your body with a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Proper nutrition fuels your body, supports brain function, and helps you maintain a healthy weight. Stay hydrated and limit the intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive caffeine. Incorporate mindfulness practices into your daily routine. Mindfulness can reduce stress, improve focus, and enhance emotional regulation. Practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or simply taking a few moments to be present in the moment can significantly improve your mental well-being. Self-care routines are vital for maintaining balance. Set aside time each day to do something you love, whether it's reading, listening to music, or spending time in nature. Prioritize rest and ensure you get enough sleep each night, as quality sleep is crucial for both physical and mental health. Listen to your body and mind. Pay attention to signs of stress, fatigue, or burnout, and take proactive steps to address them. Seeking support from friends, family, or professionals when needed is a sign of strength, not weakness. By taking care of your body and mind, you lay a strong foundation for achieving your aspiration. Holistic wellness empowers you to face challenges with resilience, think clearly, and live a more joyful, productive life. Prioritize your health and well-being, and you'll be better equipped to pursue success in all areas of your life. Subscribe to our channel. Continue to put obstacles in front of yourself, because that's where you'll find the friction that will help you grow even stronger. Before you know it, you will stand alone.